welcome back to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. I'm like so excited to film today. I don't even know why. I had such a scale victory this morning, and I think that's why I'm just like super happy and like wanting to like film, because everything I'm doing is just like working and it's just keeping me motivated, and I'm just seeing the number on the scale just like go down and down. So I hopped on the scale this morning and I lost about a pound, like a little bit over a pound since the last time I weighed in, which was about 3 days ago. Today's Friday and I weighed myself like Wednesday. So like, yeah, 3 days ago I was 175 and today I'm 174. So I was 175.6 and today I'm 174.2. So just a little bit over a pound, and I'm just so happy. It's just working, and I just love having little victories because they keep me so motivated and it keeps me going. It's 1:24, so I haven't eaten anything all day. I just had coffee. So we're gonna make breakfast or lunch, or I don't know, we're just gonna break our fast. So a lot of you guys comment like your favorites. Oh my god, I just can't get over, I can like see it in my face. It's so crazy. I'm just so happy, guys. Anyway, I asked you guys to leave me a comment and letting me know what your favorite like easy low calorie breakfasts are, and a lot of you guys said you guys enjoy the mini bagels or the bagel thins. I had already bought these before everyone commented, so that's good. We're like on the same page here. So we're gonna make one of these for breakfast. So there's 110 calories per one bagel. So do we have regular bagels? Jamal loves bagels, so we always have bagels. I don't see any. So I think like a regular everything bagel has like 270 calories. And these are pretty thin. So we're gonna just toast this for about 2.5 minutes. All right, I decided to just make 1 egg just to get some good protein in there. Okay, เดี๋ยวเราให้กับเขาก่อน เดี๋ยวเราโทรกับโทรหลัก film you. All right, we're gonna add our 1 egg. Cut our sausage into 2. And then our mini everything bagel. And this is my favorite, guys. This is whipped cream cheese. And I feel like whipped cream cheese is just like so much creamier and easier to spread. You see? So we'll try to use about a tablespoon. Actually, let me read. Okay, we can use 2 tablespoons because there's only 50 calories in 2 tablespoons, which is really good. So even though that this is an everything bagel, I'm gonna throw more of this everything but the bagel seasoning on top. Okay guys, this is my breakfast, but we're having it at almost 2 p.m. 1:30. Breakfast, lunch, anyway. And I'm just gonna add some hot sauce, whoa, to the eggs. There we go. Now that looks good. We're gonna eat and work at the same time. I don't know what I'm making for dinner tonight. Oh, that's good. So my birthday's coming up in a few days. No, next weekend on the 12th is my birthday. And I'm requesting just 1 thing for dinner, and that's all you can eat sushi. So hopefully we're gonna go and have all you can eat sushi on my birthday. I don't know if you guys are like into signs and stuff, but I'm a Leo and I am a proud Leo. Everything I read about Leos, so me, so true. I think we're just strong people. We are very driven. We are very loyal, and we're just like strong-minded, and I don't know. I think Leos are good people. So if you're a Leo, leave me a comment. Let me know, my fellow Leos out there. Anyway, okay, we're gonna finish breakfast, get some work done, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm so excited for dinner tonight because I get most of my dinner ideas from TikTok. I'll just like type in what I have in the fridge, and this is like the honest truth. Like right now I have chicken and broccoli, okay? There's so many different things you can make with chicken and broccoli, but what I'll do is I'll go on TikTok and I'll type in whatever I have in the fridge. So today I typed in chicken, broccoli, low calorie dinner. So many things popped up, so many different dinner ideas, and that's how I get my dinner ideas. And again, there's so many varieties, so today we're gonna make a little something. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. So anyways, all right, let's go to the store. I think I'm gonna grab some electrolytes just to kind of give me some energy, and then maybe a little Perfect Keto granola bar just to, you know, keep me full until dinner. So let's go. So before we head out to run some errands, we're just gonna have a scoop of these daily electrolytes by Perfect Keto. This is in the flavor strawberry lemonade. And then shake, shake, shake. I'm also going to pair a Nola bar with me by Perfect Keto. My favorite, which is the coconut chocolate chip. I'll bring this with me just to have a little snack. Okay guys, we're gonna just down these little goodies. This is the pink lemonade electrolytes by Perfect Keto. This is my favorite. It's back in stock right now, guys. It is back in stock. The pink lemonade electrolytes were out for a while, but they are back. I checked. Get some pink lemonade electrolytes. So, so good. And then I'm gonna just have this coconut chocolate chip granola bar. This is my favorite, you guys. This is my last one also. I literally ate the whole pack in like a week. So tonight when I get home, I need to order more. Look at that. Look at this granola bar. Look how much chocolate chip is in this. Oh my gosh. So freaking good. It is so freaking good. And I know I've been talking so much about the granola bars and all of the bars from Perfect Keto, but Perfect Keto is having a 48-hour build your own bundle flash sale right now. It's only good for Monday and Tuesday. So this is what you need to do. Go to perfectketo.com. There's so many things to choose from. You buy two, you get one free, and that is your bundle. It is site-wide, so you're not limited to just bars. You can get their mac and cheese, their collagen, their yummy electrolytes. They have so many great products on there. If you are watching your sugar, if you're on keto, doing low carb, they have like mac and cheese, they have cereals, they have granola bars, they have mixed drinks, they have nut butter, they have the super reds mixed drinks. Like, so many different products on there, guys, and you can buy two, get one free. BYOB, build your own bundle. I will have everything linked below. I want you guys to check Perfect Keto out. You guys probably already know this, but my favorite from Perfect Keto that I take every day and that I drink every day is the electrolytes. And like I said, the pink lemonade electrolytes are back in stock. It was gone for a while, but they're back. So hurry on and get a pack. So hurry, I will have the link in my bio. You don't need a discount code. Once you put 3 items in your cart, you'll automatically get one free. So again, it's only a 48-hour flash sale. So you need to go there right now before the sale ends, which is Monday and Tuesday, and get some Perfect Keto goodies. Okay guys, we're home. The kids are home. And since it's a little loud, I'm gonna film cooking and showing you guys the ingredients and everything, but I'm gonna do a little voiceover because I don't want you guys to like hear the loud TV and then like the kids screaming. So yeah, let's make dinner. Oh, I didn't tell you guys what we're making. We're making chicken and broccoli, low calorie chicken and broccoli. And I'm gonna make myself cauliflower rice, and I'm gonna make Jamal jasmine rice. So yeah, let's make it. It's super, super, super easy. So very simple ingredients today, guys. I have a pack of broccoli, my regular seasonings, avocado oil, a pack of chicken breast. You're gonna need cornstarch, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, and then also pure sesame oil. I'm going to chop the chicken up. Again, this is chicken breast. You can use whatever kind of chicken you want, chicken thighs. These are already thin, which is good. So I just chop, chop, chop. And then I'm going to place them into a bowl. We're going to add salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, avocado oil. You can use whatever oil you want. Then we're going to mix, mix, mix. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'll have everything down in my description box, guys. And then we're going to add more cornstarch. And then we're just gonna clean our broccoli. I'm not gonna steam or cook or anything because I don't want my broccoli to get too soggy while it's cooking. Then we're gonna add some avocado oil to a pan, get it really, really hot. I put mine on high, and then you're gonna cook the chicken on both sides. Make sure not to overcrowd. I did 2 batches of chicken, and then I minced up some garlic. I didn't have any ginger, so if you have ginger, use some ginger. This is the last batch. I then am going to take all the chicken out, place it to the side. I'm gonna keep the heat on, and I'm gonna add about 1.5 cups of water to the pan just to kind of clean the pan out, get a little, you know, a nice base. And then I'm gonna add my garlic, stir that around until it boils, and then I'm gonna add all my sauces. So I added about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce, and then about 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil. I let this simmer until it came to a nice little boil, and then I'm gonna add in my cornstarch little slurry. I think that's what it's called. I did 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, but I would add more water. I had to add about 1.5 cups more water once everything was in there, but you can see it thickening up really, really quick there, and you can see Micah jumping off the couch in the background. Okay, and then we're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna add the broccoli. It looks really full, but trust me, the broccoli cooks down, and I'm really happy I did not cook or steam the broccoli because it just came out so perfect. And then that's it. I just kind of stirred it around. Again, I did add about 1.5 cups of water. I put the top on, let it simmer for 10 minutes, and it was done. Okay, so we'll try a little broccoli. Damn, that's good. Wow, I can't believe I made this like from scratch, because you guys know me, usually I like quick and easy, so I usually just like to buy like a bottle that's already like pre-made and just kind of throw it in there with the meat. But I decided to follow a TikTok recipe today, and this came out so good. And the broccoli is like perfect. It's not soggy, it's not too hard. Ooh, hot. I'm gonna let it sit here. All right, I'm gonna go give Kyrie a bath, and then we'll be back, and then I still have to make the rice and the cauliflower rice, which is really quick, so, okay. Today's cauliflower choice is from Bird's Eye. This is in the savory herb, and it's a cook in the bag, or yeah, steamed fresh, cooked in the bag. So throw this in the microwave, and then we'll have this with our chicken and broccoli. Okay, rice is done. I like to drain it. That way it's not too watery. And you know what? I'm gonna drain it just a little more. 1/3 cup. And then let's add the chicken and broccoli. Ooh, guys, look at that. Okay guys, this is my chicken and broccoli at home. It tastes so freaking good, as you guys saw when I was tasting it. It tastes so much better than Panda Express or any like Chinese takeout. It's so good. I am gonna wait and see if Jamal will eat the cauliflower rice since I still have a bag, and if he doesn't want to eat the cauliflower rice, I'll make him like jasmine rice, but hopefully he will. Cauliflower rice is just so much lower in carbs and in calories. For about a cup, it's like, I don't know, like 20-30 calories versus jasmine rice. Just such a big difference. So all right, let's have dinner. I'm gonna try a quick bite with you guys, and then I'm gonna have dinner with Jamal. He said he's okay with the cauliflower rice, so I don't have to make any other jasmine rice. So, and it's better for him. It's better for everyone because it's lower in calories. So, try this at home. Try the recipe that's in my description box or whatever I put on the screen here. Literally every tablespoon, every single ingredient. Try it, make it. It is so good. And the broccoli is just perfect. I didn't steam it, I didn't cook it. I didn't cut it either, because if I cut it, it does tend to get more mushier as well, even though I'm not like really cooking it. So I like to leave them like big like this, because it's better to eat. Well, I am gonna end my video here, guys. Today was such a great day of eating again. Low calorie, trying to up my protein, and just a realistic day of what I eat in a day. And the best thing about these videos that I've been posting is that they've been at-home meals that I make at home. So I know exactly what's going into my meals. I'm not eating out, and even though I'm not against eating out, because you really can find low calorie things while you're out, the things that you make at home are just, it's better for you. You know, you're making it, you know what's going in it. It's not too greasy, it's not filled with sodium. So anyway, we've been making these awesome at-home meals. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these low-calorie meals. If you're watching me and you're doing keto, and I know I still personally love keto, leave me a comment as well. I want to know who's watching, and if you're like, you know, team keto and low carb or team low calorie, I do want to know. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.